What if I told you that there's a secret back door to getting monetized and making a lot of money on YouTube? And no, I'm not talking about AI-generated videos or buying pre-monetized channels. I'm talking about actually making money off other people's content. Imagine for a second, you could skip all the drama and hassle of making a YouTube video and jump right straight to earning. Meaning, you don't have to spend hours in front of a screen editing videos, nor do you even have to bother yourself about content ideas. In this video, I'll show you how you can re-upload other people's content and still make money on YouTube. You don't have to show your face, you don't need to spend money on any fancy tools, and best part, you can earn up to $30,000 per month with this method. Yes, that's right. From my research, 90% of YouTube channels in this niche earn at least $30,000 per month. And before you begin to worry about copyright, don't panic, you're safe. This method is completely in line with YouTube content policies, so your content will be monetized without any copyright strikes. And as a bonus, at the end of the video, I'll share some extra tips to help you make sure these strikes never happen. So you might want to stick around till the end. Anyways, let's begin. First, create a new channel. Now, it's best to use a new channel so that YouTube can easily identify your target audience from the very first videos you upload, thereby increasing your chances of going viral. Next, you want to head over to ChatGPT and type in this prompt. You'll find the prompt in the description box in this video. The AI will give you 20 ideas for a channel name. Pick any of them. Now, the next thing you want to do is create a channel logo and banner. Now, for the logo, simply use ChatGPT for this. You don't need to use any prompts for this. Just tell ChatGPT which particular title you picked and ask it to generate a logo for it. Here's how I did mine. As you can see, the AI is generating the logo. This might take some time. So while it's generating, head over to Canva, another free tool, and generate your banner. Canva is best for this because it has lots of ready-made templates you can simply edit and choose from. I like this one. So here, let's shuffle things up a bit. You need to be creative, but don't worry too much about making a perfect banner. You can always change it later after your channel becomes successful. For now, you can simply put a banner that says subscribe with some good graphics and background. Alright, so now you just need to go upload your logo and banner to your new YouTube channel. Then you go ahead and set up other things like channel description, tags, etc. Now, I'm sure you're already familiar with setting up a channel, so we'll skip all that and go to the important stuff. However, if you still need a guide, check out this video where we guide you step by step on how to set up a viral channel. Anyways, moving on. After creating the channel and setting up the banner, logo, and everything else, leave it for 3 days. I mean, don't publish anything. However, use this YouTube account to watch videos during this time. Watch videos that are related to the niche you'll be making content for. In this case, top 5 rankings and countdowns. This is one secret most new YouTubers don't know. It actually increases your chances of going viral with your very first video. Doing this makes YouTube familiar with your account and your niche. So by the time you finally post, you're already friends with the algorithm. So it pushes your very first video with full force. This is one hack most YouTube experts won't share with you. So if you're grateful for these tips, kindly smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. It's the least you can do to make sure I don't stop making these highly informative videos for you. Alright, moving on. So now, let's get down to the videos we'll be posting. So, just in case you don't know what kind of videos we'll be posting on this channel, here's a typical example for you. It's all about the top 5 moments. Now, the moments can be anything from funny scenes to fail moments or crazy stuff. Also, it can be moments about people, movies, animals, and so on. There's a very broad range for content, and that's something I really love about this niche. You'd hardly run out of content, but that's not the best part. The best part about this is that these videos have a huge fan base and easily go viral. Take this video for instance. It has over 50 million views and still counting. And guess what? This video is just 2 months old. Now let's do some math. So let's say your video gets 5 million views on average and you upload 30 videos a month. That's 150 million views. For an RPM of 0.07 per 1,000 words, that's $70 per 1 million views. For 150 million views, that would equal 70 times 150 equals $10,500. Now, just so you know, in reality, the actual RPM for this niche is much higher. In fact, channels are earning more in the range of $15,000 to $30,000 every month. Take the video we highlighted earlier. The channel is called Ciando. According to Social Blade, this channel makes between $15,000 and $200,000 every month. Shocking, right? Anyways, enough chatter. Let's dive right into how you can create these videos. So, there's a hard method and an easy method. The hard method involves using old school editing tools like CapCut, hours of editing work, and then you burn out and only end up making 1 video per day. For the easy method, all you have to do is use this AI tool and generate these videos easily in an hour or less. So the tool is called Clippy AI. But before using this tool, you need to have your videos ready for the compilation. Now, this means you need to have a video idea ready. Again, if you're the lazy type like me who doesn't wish to waste any time generating content content ideas, you can simply ask ChatGPT to do that for you. So let's say you want to make a moment compilation about top 5 sports fail. Now head over to TikTok or Facebook and you'll find a swarm of interesting videos on the topic. Search for something like funny football moments. Select the most interesting videos you'll use for the compilation. Copy the links and use a Facebook downloader website to download them to your device. Now head over to Clippy AI. Click on the link in the video description to access the tool direct. For those of you who don't know, Clippy AI is a powerful all-in-one AI tool that YouTubers use to generate various kinds of video, like the trending fake text, funny videos you see a lot these days. So for today, we'll focus on using this tool for compilation videos. It's pretty straightforward. Sign up and go to the bottom of the menu bar on the left. Click on the top 5 video feature. Note that your videos should be in the 9:16 ratio. So if it's a landscape video, change that before uploading here. Alright, so click on the arrow box indicating upload. Once you upload the videos you downloaded, click on next. Notice you have options to change the style and text. Play around with these options to find what suits your taste. Once you're done, enter the title of your video. For instance, it could be top 5 funny referee moments or top 5 funny dribble. Also, you have to give a title for each of the clips in the compilation. Doesn't have to be much. A short sentence would do. Just be creative. Once you're done, export and watch the magic happen. Finally, save the video to your device. As you well know, YouTube monetization requires 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, with a minimum of 10 million views for shorts. Now, given the fact this niche is a popular one, getting monetized shouldn't be a problem. All you need to do is focus on posting 3 to 5 shorts every day. And since all you're doing is simply re-uploading old videos, meeting up this daily threshold is easy, except of course, you're lazy. Don't be lazy, my friend. Money hates lazy people. And just in case you're still doubting if YouTube actually monetizes these kinds of channels, here's more proof for you. Take a look at this channel that uploads similar videos. Now let's see if this channel is monetized. We'll use YT large for this. As you can see, this channel is monetized. Now let's check how much they're actually making. For this part, we'll use Social Blade once more. According to Social Blade, the channel makes $33,000 to $523,000 every month. That's just mind-blowing. So, as you can see, this niche is a goldmine. And making these videos is something anyone with a phone and functioning brain cells can do. The key, however, is to publish lots of videos in the beginning. This way, if a user watches one of your videos and they like it, they can binge on others. This increases your watch hours and also makes the YouTube algorithm more happy to push out your videos. So, before you publish your first video, make sure you have 5 to 7 videos ready to go. Then, make sure you publish consistently, at least 2 to 3 shorts per day. Before you know it, you'd be swimming in cash.